Hello everyone. I decided to do my presentation on Lust versus Merrell Dow Pharmaceuticals. The reason that I chose this particular case was it's a case where it is a citizen versus a pharmaceutical company, and I particularly like reading up on those types of cases. Um, Usually I'm rooting for the citizen against big pharma, but this case in particular is an example where the pharmaceutical company actually won the suit. So to jump into it, back in June of 1996, Peter Lust brought a personal injury action against Dow Pharmaceuticals, where he alleged that his birth defect, hemofacial microsomia, was caused by his mother's ingestion of Merrell Dow's fertility drug Clomid. So when I was researching this, I had no idea what uh, hemofacial microsomia even was. So I did a little bit of research and wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So as you can see, and per the bottom left picture there, this is a condition where one side of the face is generally smaller than the other. One of the ears is missing or is smaller than the other, and then there's skin tags over the ear. So as you can see, I got some pictures from the internet here, and this particular little girl here has one side of her face smaller. The boy on the right has a smaller ear as well as a skin tag. So those were just examples I wanted to show here. But during the suit, Lust used the expert opinion of Dr. Alan Dunn, who testified that Clomid is the known specific drug capable of causing all kinds of birth defects. Depending on the time, it should be able to include hemofacial microsomia. Um, so, I mean, you read that and you think, okay, well, this is a closed case. Like it's known that this specific drug causes this specific problem, but that is actually not the case. So Merrell Dow's counsel cross-examined Dr. Dunn, and he admitted that he was not a teratologist, and that's someone who studies abnormalities or physiological developments in organisms, nor was he a geneticist or embryologist. Um, so the sorry, Merrell Dow went ahead and cross-examined him, and he stated that there were no peer-reviewed articles concluding that Clomid was a human teratogen, which a teratogen is um, something that causes birth defects or abnormalities in the developing embryo or fetus upon the exposure to the substance. Um, so he admitted that there were no epidemiological or animal studies that found a positive association between the ingestion of Clomid and hemofacial microsomia. So California law states that causation is necessary. It is a necessary element in a personal injury case, and as Dr. Doan's expert opinion did not reflect scientific knowledge and was not admissible under the Federal Rules of Evidence 702, the district court granted judgment in favor of Merrell Dow. So I wanted to just put, I'm sure we all know the Rule 702 of the TEW, but just wanted to have that on screen as well just to show. Um, so the reason why his testimony was thrown out was because his testimony was not based on sufficient facts or data. Um, Honestly, it kind of looks like he just made it up. So that's the I guess the ruling on Lust v. Merrell Dow Pharmaceuticals. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment under my video. Thank you.